Dear friends, today I will discuss some questions related to the current affairs. So our first question is related to PCA. Action taken on bank under PCA framework by RBI are restriction on the distribution of dividends and remittance of profits, requirement or bringing additional capital by promoters, owners, या parents, restrictions on opening new branches, and no expansion will be permitted whether domestic or overseas. Higher provisioning is required to cover the risk questioned. So, which statement is correct or are correct? Yes, give me answer. Action taken on bank under PCA framework by RBIR. Restriction on the distribution of dividends and remittance of profits. I repeat, requirement of bringing additional capital by promoters, owners, या parents. Restrictions on opening new branches. No expansion will be permitted whether domestic or overseas, or higher provisioning is required to cover the risk questioned. I am asking question. Action taken on bank under PCA framework by RBIR. So all these statements are correct here. Action taken on bank under PCA framework by RBI are restrictions on the distribution of dividends and remittance of profits, requirement of bringing additional capital by promoters, owners, parents, restrictions on opening new branches, no expansion will be permitted whether domestic or overseas. Higher provisioning is required to cover the risk questioned. All the statements are related to PCA framework by RBI are correct. Now come to the next question. Yes, have you understood? Ask me questions if any problem. Yes, well done. Now next question. A constitutional amendment bill may need the consent of. According to you, a constitutional amendment bill may need the consent of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, President of India, state legislative assemblies, state legislative councils. Now tell me the answer. A constitutional amendment bill may need the consent of. Which one? Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, President of India, state legislative assemblies, state legislative councils. Okay, I am giving you hint. Choose the correct answer using the codes 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, or all of the above. According to you, a constitutional amendment bill may need the consent of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, President of India, state legislative assemblies, or state legislative councils. A constitutional amendment bill may need the consent of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, President of India, state legislative assemblies. So B option will be correct. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, President of India, state legislative assemblies. A constitutional amendment bill may need the consent of only these. Okay. Now next question. Atal Ranking of Institutions on Innovation Achievements, ARIIA, stand for? Yes, well done. Atal Ranking of Institutions on Innovation Achievements. This is an initiative of, now option, Niti Aayog, Ministries of Education, NGO Pratham, Ministry of Home Affairs. So, Atal Ranking of Institutions on Innovation Achievements is an initiative of Ministries of Education. Have you understood? Now come to the next question. Line of actual control. Have you heard about the line of actual control? Yes. Line of actual control separates Indian territory from, I am giving you hint, Pakistan, Bangladesh, China or Bhutan. Tell me now, line of actual control separates Indian territory from Pakistan, Bangladesh, China or Bhutan. So, line of actual control separates Indian territory from China. Understood? Now, next question. Which one of the following pairs of Deccan Sultanates and their respective regions is not correctly matched? Listen to me carefully. Which one of the following pairs of Deccan Sultanates and their respective regions is not correctly matched? Nizam Shahi's Bijapur, Barid Shahi's Bidar, Qutb Shahi's Golconda, Imad Shahi's Berad. Tell me, which region is not correctly matched? Nizam Shahi's Bijapur, Barid Shahi's Bidar, Qutb Shahi's Golconda, Imad Shahi's Berad. So Nizam Shahi's with Bijapur is not correctly matched here. Barid Shahi's with Bidar is correctly matched. Qutb Shahi's with Golconda is also correctly matched. Imad Shahi's with Berad is also correctly matched. Have you understood all the questions? Okay, well done. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.